Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix laptop battery not charging on Windows 10 or 11. So if you have plugged in your power cable and the battery is not charging, here's how to fix that. First, you need to open the start menu. You can just open the Windows key. So you can just search for Device Manager, as see from here. Just click on Device Manager. After that, from here you will see the batteries option, as see. You can just open it, and then from here you can just right click all the options and hit on the update driver option. Then you can click on search automatically for drivers. So if you have any updates for your battery option, it will be automatically installed. Then hit close and do the same for the other option. Just right click update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Hit close. So if this is not helping you, the next thing that you can do is just to right click it and uninstall the driver. So after you have uninstalled the drivers, as see from here, just click on uninstall device. Also for this you can just hit here, right click it and hit on uninstall device. So after that, to reinstall the drivers, all you need to do is just hit the start button and go to the power options. Then from here you need to restart your PC. So after you have restarted your laptop, the power drivers will reinstall automatically, and that may fix your issues. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.